To remove a drawer, pull the drawer all the way out and pull firmly upwards from the front. The drawer should disengage from the runners and can be removed. To reattach the drawer, ensure the runners are fully extended and even. Seat the drawer evenly on top of the runners, then push the drawer all the way in until the fascia is flush and a click is heard. For tall drawers, both the upper and lower runners need to disengage, so you may need to pull from both the bottom and top of the drawer. When reattaching tall drawers, ensure all of the runners have successfully engaged. To adjust the fascia of a drawer, pull it open and push the side panels backwards on both sides, revealing the runner mechanism. There are a few screws here that perform different adjustments to how the drawer's fascia sits in the unit. To adjust the fascia up and down, use a screwdriver to turn the large screw with up and down arrows around it. To adjust the fascia side to side, use the smaller screw with the double-sided arrow next to it. Ensure that both sides of the drawer are evenly adjusted. The final adjustment is the tilt of the drawer. Pull the drawer out and remove the top panel on each side of the drawer. Then, use a screwdriver to adjust the screw near the back of the drawer to adjust the drawer's tilt. Again, ensure both sides of the drawer are evenly adjusted. To remove fascias, identify the long curved opening in the runner adjustment panel. Using a screwdriver, turn it away from the fascia like a screw and it will lever the panel along the opening. Once this has been done on both sides, the fascia can be removed. When reattaching a fascia, make sure to line up the slots on the drawer with the fascia. Push firmly until you hear a click to indicate that the fascia has been reattached. When adjusting the fascias of tall drawers, the usual process can be followed. Adjustments are made using the same labelled screws and should still be done on both sides of the drawer. With tall drawers, ensure that adjustments are performed on both the top and bottom sections of the drawer. When removing tall drawer fascias, both the bottom and the top need to be disengaged. The bottom will also have an additional slot which will need to be released. When reattaching tall drawer fascias, attaching the bottom and top separately is recommended.